Welcome to the Altair SimLab Learning Center. In this video, you will learn how to install SimLab. Additionally, we have included a section to show you how reconfigure it in case menus are missing or you want to set up Cadia, Creo, NX or Cadence Allegro directories to import formats supported by them. Double-click the installer executable file to start the installer. The license agreement panel is displayed for viewing. Click Next to continue. Choose install type, local install, or server install and click Next. By default, the install folder location will be the one shown. If you prefer a different install folder, browse for a folder of your choice. Choose the features you wish to install. The options listed under the CAD support option will install CAD-specific software and help configure it during installation. Select Altair Solvers and Non-Altair Solvers option. SimLab lets you run the solver from SimLab with the input file as an argument. It will read the output file and show the results in SimLab. You can also change the solver settings. If you have installed the latest version of Altair License Manager and have configured your license, you can select Server License option and leave this field blank. If the license is located on a server or servers, enter either hostname/IP address where it is located. Select the Node Locked option if you want to restrict the use of the license on one machine. Select the solvers you wish SimLab to invoke directly. Locate the solver installation directory by clicking the Browse button. Click Next to proceed with the installation. SimLab needs a temporary and project file directory to perform its operation. Temporary and project files will be generated while SimLab is being run. This dialog box helps you designate a directory for temporary files and a directory for project files. The pre-installation summary panel is displayed, which includes the SimLab feature list, install folder, and disk space requirement. Review the panel information and click Install to continue. Start SimLab and verify that everything is in order. If the installation has been done and your licensing model is not the Product Engineer Suite, then all menus should be displayed. The previous installation can be modified using the configure.exe file available in the SimLab installation folder. This executable allows reconfiguration from the solver, install set and license panel as shown. For this installation, we will choose the Altair Solvers Only option in the solver panel. If a change in the version or path of the installed feature is required, we can modify it. You can also change the temporary and project directory. Verify the product list and the install folder and click on Install. Start SimLab again to see the changes made. You will notice that this time some menus are missing. This is due to the Altair Solvers Only option being selected. You will be able to see all of them until you create a solution. Use the configure.exe file to change this if you have selected it.